All right, so we're going to do more of the same. Remember that if it says parallel lines, what do we know about the slopes? They're the same. So the equation of the new parallel line is going to be the same as the slope of the new parallel line is going to be the same as the slope of the other line. So my slope is going to be 12. It has to pass through the point negative 4 comma 2, which is x1, y1. It's early, Monday morning. All right. X1, y1. So that means that my x sub 1 is negative 4. My y sub 1 is actually 2. What's the next step to get the equation of the line? What do we do? Yeah, very good. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to n times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Plug that in, so we say y minus 2 is equal to 12 times the quantity x minus, x sub 1 is a negative, so we got to write the negative down. Now, it's fascinating to me. A lot of kids, and some kids will try to skip the step of not writing the equation down. That's when you make the mistake, and then it goes wrong. It doesn't take that much effort to just write down the negative of a negative, okay? We added up. Oh, we're almost time. The bell's going to ring soon. So I get y minus 2. Push that through. That becomes 12x plus 48, right? Then we add 2 to both sides. And we get y equals 12x plus 50, right? Is that what you guys got?
Yeah.
Good. I think that's right. I'll double check it. That's what you guys got. I forget today's a short.